Did you know arrow function can return object? Check this code. There is a two example. One is the wrong example, another is the right example. In this wrong example, return undefined. When we are using this with the return object like this way, then it's actually shown the this JavaScript thing. This is a function body. Okay. Also, but if you are using the correct way, if you want to using the correct way, then you need to use this parenthesis. If you directly want to use the parameter as argument. Okay. Also check this one. This make person, and when you console log, you get the actual output. Okay. And actually want to return an object, you must wrap it in parenthesis. Without parenthesis, without them, JavaScript think the function body. Actually, JavaScript thinks the curly braces are a function body, not an object. This trips up so many developers. Subscribe my channel, follow for more JavaScript tips.